When you connect a bunch of tools together, they're supposed to keep sharing the same data. But over time, they stop. And that's when you get a data silo. A silo isn't one broken connection. It's what happens across your whole setup when your tools quietly drift apart. Two teams start trusting different numbers, and you end up making decisions on data that's out of date in one place and wrong in another. So why does it happen? Every tool you buy thinks it's the main one. Your CRM, your accounting software, your marketing tool. Each one stores its own copy of the customer, and nothing makes them check with each other. So over time, each tool ends up with a slightly different version of the same record. There are 3 reasons this happens, and they're all fixable. First, nobody decided which tool owns which data. If your CRM, your marketing tool, and your accounting software all think they own the customer record, none of them backs down, and the copies drift apart. Second, one-way syncing. Data only flows in one direction. So the moment someone edits the tool on the receiving end, that change never goes back to the other side. And now you've got 2 versions. Third, the silent break. A password expires or a tool updates, and the connection just stops working. So a sync that broke weeks ago still looks fine, while old data piles up behind it. Here's the main fix. Decide upfront which tool owns which data. Your CRM owns the relationship stuff, leads, contacts, deal stages, and where each lead came from. Your accounting software owns the money stuff. Marketing owns the campaigns. Support owns the tickets. Once that's clear, every connection follows one simple rule. Read from the owner. Don't make your own copy. After that, you just have to keep it working. This isn't something you set up once and forget. Use two-way syncing wherever both tools actually need the data. Keep an eye on your connections instead of assuming they're fine, because the worst kind of break is the silent one. And don't wire every tool directly to every other tool. Run your relationship data through the CRM as the central hub instead. This is what Census CRM is built to do. It's the main home for your relationship data, which is the role that keeps a silo from starting. Every lead, call, ad click and form fill lands in one place, tagged with where it came from. Your other tools feed into it instead of copying it. And since it's built for healthcare, the data is locked down. Access is role-based, everything's logged, and records are encrypted. So where do you start? Start by writing down which tool owns what. Then find your worst problem, usually the one where 2 teams argue over a number, and fix that one all the way through. Get one right, and the rest is just repeating the pattern. If you want to see what it looks like when your relationship data lives in one place and everything reads from it, contact us today to book a demo.